I Gynghrair y merched rwan, lle roedd merched dinas Caerdydd yn awyddus i barhau rhediad o 4 buddugoliaeth ynol wrth groesawu Llansawel i stadiwm dinas Caerdydd. Dim ond 4 munud gymroddi i Zoe Atkins agor y sgôr i'r tîm o'r brif ddinas. Prawn heriol yn wynebu'r ymwelwyr. Gyda'r capten, Siobhan Walsh yn dechrau'r symudiad o'r cefn, daeth yr ail gol yn rhwyd i'r tîm cartra. Phoebe Poole a Caerdydd dwt gyda'i throed chwith. 4 munud wedi hynny, dyma Zoe Atkins yn cael ei hael am y prynhawn. Pas fach syml i'r llwybr gan Poole, a hithant taro'r bel i gefn y rhwyd. Dyblodd Poole i chyfanswm personol a chyfanswm y tîm o gic gornel gan Ffion Price. Roedd e'n glawi o goliau a dim ond 25 munud oedd ar y cloc. Ymhen 10 munud roedd Poole wrthi eto, pas gelfydd drwy'r amddiffyn i'w llwybr gan Catherine Walsh, a gol geidwad Llansawel yn llorio Poole yn y cwrt cosbi. Poole yn ei gosod yng nghornel ucha'r rhwyd am ei hat-trick. Daeth gol gynta'r ail hanner ar ola yn y gêm i bwy ond yr adargleision. Ffion Price yn gweithio ei ffordd i mewn i'r cwrt cosbi ac yn creu Catherine Walsh. Gol gampus ganddi hi goroni buddugoliaeth wych i'r tîm cartra. Prynhawn i'w anghofio i Llansawel.
It's nice to see young Phoebe Poole having a little hat-trick for herself, and of course myself having a goal and Zoe as well. But everyone else had a great performance. We can't fault everything, and a clean sheet as well.
We're just proud of the girls for being able to perform at such a high level, you know, for the duration of the match. You know, it's credit to Britain Ferry as well. You know, they played well. They did play well. You know, it's hard, obviously, to come into on a day like this. You know, like I said, big pitch. It is hard for them. So you know, all the credit to Britain Ferry. But yeah, the girls were excellent today. They were really, really good, and you know, we could have asked for much more.
This is a great occasion just to start with being here. We're very lucky and we're very thankful to the club to let us play on this pitch. I think before the game there was only 4 of us who'd played on here before, so obviously it's a great experience for the young girls who get their chance to play on here, and I think a few of them came on and they showed that they're good enough to be out here as well.
It's always good when things you work on in training, you know, are replicated in a match, and we've done quite a lot on using our full backs, and we knew it was an area we needed to strengthen in our play. So yeah, we're really happy. Some of the, you know, some of the possession we had was unbelievable, you know. So you know, credit to the girls. They really enjoyed themselves today, and hopefully this is the first of many now. You know, the club have been great to us, so you know, hopefully we can do the same again next season.